We're here in the fantastic diner.
So we're gonna be waited on by by hookers who play blackjack and build a computer. That's gonna be our start.
Yeah. Something like that.
So
this is it. Just in case I ever decide to post this anywhere, this guy's here, and he is helping me build a computer, which is very nice of him. Thank you.
Of course, dude.
And this is it. I mean, well,
this is the beginning.
I mean, this is the case. Oh, there's a little piece of styrofoam.
That's fine. That's probably so they have.
How do I want to remove that, right?
Yeah, nothing before you start it.
That's gonna burn up if we keep that in
look,
there.
If you look in here, so this right here will house one of your SSDs. It'll probably be in here.
So this is
or one of your hard drives. Probably your hard drive or SSD.
What is the yellow part?
Let's see. I can't see it from that point of view.
Oh, dude, want me to put a light or?
Yeah, very light. Yeah, it's over here.
Yeah.
So that's why sometimes having the lighting isn't a bad thing.
Yeah, the lighting's pretty good here and down here, but just not for like minute, like specific things.
Yeah, wait, get that little clip light.
What clip light?
In your drumstick box.
You want to use the head?
Yeah, fuck it, why not?
Maybe you can clip it onto things.
Yeah.
My stand light.
Yeah, it won't
We had a orchestra concert last year.
Yeah.
Where we were in the very back because the percussion section is always in the back.
Yeah.
And it was so dark back there where I needed this.
Well, I'm glad it's come to use now. This is good.
It was useful then, and it'll be useful now.
Clip it like here.
So like is that cardboard?
Yeah. So this has extra components to it to allow you to put different things in. So again, primarily with regard to your hard disk drives when you want to expand it. So this actually means like it technically isn't. We can take it out, but we don't really need to. So like for example, this if you had an actual hard disk drive, you would screw it into this and then slide.
But
it.
we're doing
solid state drives.
We're doing solid state drives, and I have two of them, right?
Yeah, so you have one and two, and then one other one. So hopefully we'll have the cables for it. If not, we can go get that Best Buy or something.
Oh, that's gonna be great.
That's actually fantastic. Holy shit.
That works better than I thought it would.
Yeah, that's like
the
super
first one's brighter.
That's super ideal. So this guy should be your SSD mounts, or just some extra cable wraps.
Ah, there we go.
It's just cable wraps. Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is some extra cable wraps, so we'll have these on standby as well.
Cable wraps?
Yes. So we'll get a shit ton of cables coming in, so we'll need these guys to help keep that all together.
You mean these ones?
These with also those guys from the power supplies. We're gonna get the motherboard in first and power supply. And there's also just like extra twisty ties and some extra lug nuts and stuff for the case itself. And
that's a good order you should always go by when putting one together, right?
Right. I mean, again, there's not really
motherboard, then power supply.
Honestly, I mean, I like power supply and first you get all your wires ready to go. Then you start mounting things together. You can, but motherboard definitely should go first with one of the main things. So, but we have these guys, which is good too.
And you took those out of this?
Yes, out of those.
Those are just, and those, is that where the memory goes?
No, you'll see. Open this up.
Me?
Yes.
I also have a little opener.
Yes, the opener would be useful.
I think it's over here. It was my dad.
Good. Yes, power supply I think is good to have as a starter, just because you get all your wires together. But at the same time, having it almost glass is also okay. The big thing is just getting your motherboard first. I think honestly is the big do that. But shit, there's definitely probably a book written on the probably like, you shouldn't do it that way, Dad. You fucking stupid.
I need to find it. I think it's in here again.
You need to fuck it? Oh, I hope that's not the case. There's a camera here.
Dana was using it, so I gotta find where she put it.
I need to get another dart for this. Another dart? It pops pretty good. It's like a jolt. No, jolt.
It's not big, but I was just like, I got to where she was working. I was like, please be here. Please, just please.
You can move the back panel to the over there too. So
This will go on like way later.
Yeah. These guys are probably staying off until it's done.
Put it on this chair. Oh yeah, sorry about the chairs aren't the greatest, but that's what we'll begin.
That is fine, dude. I don't care. I'm chilling.
We have a sick projector. Sorry, I couldn't find the word.
That's fine. It happens. So it looks like there's little pull tabs. You might not even need the opener.
Oh, is there no tape?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's
cool.
It's first for this so far. I've had tape on everything that's come in.
Oh, good. I'm glad this has now become gone DVR. You say, don't cut yourself. Just put that down. Oh my God.
Cut away from you. Cut away.
Cut away from you. Alright, get that bad puppy out. Wonderful.
AS Rock.
Wonderful.
Ass Rock.
Ass. Does this have tape? Nope.
Wow, this feels so pristine. This feels special.
It should. Yes, this is styrofoam for packaging purposes.
Yeah,
There, take it out.
Alright, so let's take a look at this, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Bad Unboxing.
I do love badly unboxing things. That's
There's this, I mean, you guys can't see it very well. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm not uploading this. But...
Well, just like open. It'll be easier to see. Or open it, yeah.
Remember how I made a video called Building a Drum Set?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do one called Building a Computer.
Yeah, that'd be kind of hype.
Ooh. Alright, we gotta take this out like this. My finger just touched something very spiky.
Yeah, it's probably a lot of spikes on there. Yeah, just don't do it when we're actually at the thing fucking around. There you go.
There's a solid piece.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, it's touching the pins.
Yes. So.
All right, there you go. That's a good.
That's a much better.
Here, let's. Here, you know what? Here, let's create the thumbnail. Oh, we got the glint on there though.
People at home, in the case Drew doesn't get back in time for me to sew this, I told him to move the wire a different way, and I forgot to check that. We have now tightened a wire for the fan down. It's kind of stuck. It's not like broken, but it's stuck. And if that would screw everything, we just screwed it.
You have the power supply, everyone. Right here is a nice little fan inside there as well. You're using the RM85X, 850X by Corsair.
Corsair is
where I got my keyboard from, actually.
Yes.
And you have all these ports in the back.
Yes, so we're going to be powering everything we're having. What we're going to do is we're going to see how. This is where you have
Danger high voltage, yes.
It's good. Good camera angle. I like that.
Yeah. I mean, you still can't really see what we're doing, but...
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Well, make it kiss our ass.
Okay. Ah.
You good?
Wow.
Yeah. Hurts, doesn't it?
It's been crushing my fingers.
Hurt, don't it? Get this guy. Hold up.
You're acting like you like...
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Doing this a million times. It hurt, don't it?
It do hurt, motherfucker.
This is the SSD. This is our
One of your storage units.
This is the 1 terabyte one.
Yeah, so 1
Okay,
terabyte
so-
storage.
So storage 1.
And he's gonna go.
I just called it storage 1 and storage 2 since you're getting 2.
That's fine. Works for
So this
me,
is
man.
storage 1. This is 1 terabyte. Using the 870 Evo.
So we have one of these guys in the back. Attach it that way. So that guy's gonna fit onto here.
Here it is, everyone. Look at that, beautiful.
So it'll fit right there. Kind of see it? Yep. So it'll kind of sit in there nicely, and you'll kind of see on the back, those screws should line up like that.
And we're gonna screw this into this first.
Correct.
All right. Do you want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, I gotta figure which one's going there. It's gonna be definitely a kind that will go in there.
Oops. Sorry, the boxes underneath don't give a lot of leg room.
That's all right. This is the easiest part, typically.
Watch it. Wait until something goes horribly wrong.
Okay, well, I gotta check to see if the fucking motherboard takes its RAM. Yeah, how the fuck do you take the goddamn RAM of this motherfucker?
All right. Here are my
Does it tell you?
my 2 gigabyte sticks for
Does
RAM.
it not tell you?
I'm using the Trident Z5 RGB. I'm not a huge RGB fan, but it's kind of hard to honestly find ones that aren't these days.
Correct.
So
So
here they are. Here are the 2 sticks. The 2 16 gig sticks. I know you can either do 4 8 sticks, right? Or you can do 2 16s.
You can do fucking 4 64s if you want to be a maniac. I don't fucking trust you with any of that. Oh my god. Drew, I'm going to.
Whoa, it's a bit feisty.
He's fucking wrestling with the GPU. You know, like crypto people pay like a fortune for these things, right? You could like probably
Yeah.
you can make like a small investment, you know, with this shit.
I'm gonna send Cassie a message too.
Open the fucking box.
Using AMD, by the way, everyone.
Yeah, because we're not bitches.
Using AMD. I don't want Intel.
That's all I hear.
I guess.
All right, open it.
Shh. You gotta. Shh. You gotta be careful. You gotta be calm. This is a calm process.
This is not a clock process.
This is nothing to be
Stressed.
Never. Oh, here we go.
Fucking monster. Holy shit.
Well,
That thing's huge.
Is it supposed to be that huge?
I mean, it's big. It's bigger than mine.
No, it's too bad. All right, we gotta open this bad boy.
Yep.
Here it is, though, everyone.
Crank it up.
It looks like a radio.
Looks like
Looks like a dildo.
I do like that.
I do like that.
I do like that.
There you go.
Quit flirting with the fucking chat. No.
There's no chat. So don't tell me what to do. Oh, I think there's some. Oh, there's some of these bits on here. You gotta peel these off, everyone.
May I see that really quick? I should do a little bit of a check.
Yep.
Oh my god, this thing's a beast.
Is it too much?
No, this is perfect. What, let me peel?
The peely, okay, savor the peely. Savor it.
Trash.
Yeah, so.
Look at ice cream.
Right
What?
Why is there water like right there?
Well, I don't know. This thing needs two.
To what?
It needs two fucking power connections.
To power the thing?
Yes! That's
Do
insane!
we have enough?
Yes!
Okay, give me one.
We gotta plug another one in.
Oh, okay.
I assumed one.
What?
God, dude, this thing's such a beast. Like, look at that. That's insane.
I'm not fully understanding the magnitude of the situation.
Dude, this thing needs fucking two power cables. Mine only needs one. And I had one before. See how this one's like only has 3 pins? I had one before. I only needed this one. Yours needs two. Let me.
Let me see that. Here we have this is our CPU.
Our AMD CPU. This is the Ryzen 7000 series.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're big chill gaming right now.
Oh my.
Exactly. Okay. So that
Look, Cassie, I'm
Not
using my
fucking do that ever again.
I'm using my stand light that I got from
Oh, it
Orchestra.
has its uses.
It's actually been like the savior of this whole thing.
This is
It is
actually-
because you can clamp it onto the side of the PC and it just does this. And so you can.
it actually is quite wonderful.
So here are my 2 gig sticks right here.
Oh, gigs.
This is our gigantic GPU.
This thing's fucking huge. Like, I was like, I saw that, and okay, hold this right there. We're gonna get this in position.
Let me see this.
Just please don't slap the fucking CPU. We're gonna put that on there.
Wait, do you need to put the other one in?
Yeah.
Yeah, do the other one first.
There you go.
We'll do
Give me a
that.
fucking screwdriver.
I got it.
Give me two.
No, I'll get it.
All right, cool.
It's on the CPU.
That's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, that part can be on the CPU. It's the fucking rest of it that's not supposed to be on the CPU. Like I was just like, just don't screwdriver it. See, I've learned a lot tonight, and one of them is that the evolution of processors has now grown beyond my comfortability zone. This is fucked. That's what this is. This is fucked.
Looks very complex.
So like the fucking processor for this guy, you got your.
I'm getting it. Yeah, I'm getting it down.
All right, but they updated them to really nice new processors. It's an AM5 chipset. There's no pins, so there's no like pins to make to slide into a slot. They just make really fucking hard contact, which is crazy. And the top of it is actually exposed, which is also nuts to me. So I'm like kind of scared because of the final stuff we have to do for this sumbitch. But this is actually very cool.
It's not safe for it to be exposed like that, I feel like.
I mean, it's probably for thermal.
DisplayPort.
Thank you, boss. Alright, bring it this way. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Thank you for support, bud.
Cable not connected.
Yeah, I haven't got any fucking gateway.
Oh.
That's why.
Are you doing that the right way?
Nah.
DisplayPort. Oh, there he goes. Alright.
What's saying?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It'll say no display, right?
It should. It should. That's great. Okay, let's give it a second.
Don't hit that lamp. Don't the lamp.
Okay, let's see. I want to hit say nothing first. Say nothing.
No, it is saying nothing. No signal. Okay, turn it on. Fan spinning. 2 arrow lights.
Okay, let them have errors. Watch them blink. See if they blink. See if they blink. Blinking happens.
No blinking yet.
Okay, I want to give it a second.
You can see it from there?
A little bit, yeah.
Sit down on the thing.
Yeah. Okay. We'll sit there. That might just sit there a second, just by trying to figure itself out.
Oh. Monitor turned blue.
Turn blue.
The light turned blue,
Okay.
which means it's detecting an input.
Keep watching the lights. We got it. Okay, we got it. We got it.
Hold on.
Holy shit, we got it. We're good.
We're good?
We're good.
Yes! Yes!
Oh, beautiful.
Oh wait, shit, that was really loud.
That's okay. We did it. Okay. Recognition's good. Speed's good. RAM's good. Okay. Give me a mouse.
We still have an arrow light on.
What's the arrow light?
Oh, it's not anymore. Oh, they're all off now.
Let's see what the hell we got going on here.
Like that mouse?
No. I don't like anything right
Give
now.
me that.
I like this computer. Okay, I just want to see what's going on here really quick. Okay, CPU's at good temperature. Look at that's how warm it is already.
Wow, it's over 100 degrees.
Fahrenheit. Yep.
Well, the system, the cooling system will help with that, right?
Yes, it's keeping it. It's already doing that.
Here.
Okay, stop doing that.
Something what?
This year's shaking it off. So.
Look at that.
Colorful.
Those are the RAM sticks lighting up.
Yes, it is. Okay, so you don't have like a board tool. It's a little unfortunate, but that's fine.
That looks like it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Drew,
What?
give me a USB stick.
USB stick?
Yes.
What do you mean?
I think they can put things on, like photos and shit.
A thumb drive?
Yeah, make it big. It needs to be a big drive, like 64 gigs. Yeah,
By plugging it in.
I want to plug it in. I
I
want
use
to
this
find
all
out.
the time. I have a lot
Because
of.
what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this thing, put this in there with that plugged in, make this your boot. Yeah, so see that you can use installation media to install a new copy of Windows, perform a clean installation, or reinstall Windows. There's these things called drivers. Drivers are what allow hardware to interact with software and other hardware pieces. So the disk fits into here. But because this disk is like, well, what do I do with this? Like, that's not even power. Just, I don't even know the fuck this is even going to. Like, the computer can't tell us what's going on.
Yeah.
So it doesn't power it. So it doesn't read anything.
Oh, okay.
So we need, but apparently on this, I need a dongle, I think, or some bullshit to plug into here.
Oh, yeah.
So you have a driver which tells the computer, hey, when you see this thing, you do this. That driver is what you get. So whenever you plug in anything, thank you. Whenever you plug anything into a computer. But again, Mac does it right because they have all their proprietary shit pre-installed. So whenever you just fucking plug it in, it just works. Do you know how? Wait, where's like a? Do you have like a search bar?
Let me help you. What did it say?
The boot camp something.
Boot
Boot camp assistant. What
Oops.
the fuck is that?
Oh, this is still going.
Yeah, that's fine. There is boot camp assistant.
god.
Why don't you... What?
Oh.
Cars a Mac with an...
What is this?
What is happening?
Wait, what? This isn't Windows 10, is it?
Well, yeah, I just want to fucking put it... I just want to
Look
put
up
it on
Windows
the...
11.
It's out. What kind of fucking garbage? Without boot... Okay, we're watching a fucking goddamn
Hi
video.
everyone, and welcome to
Oh
another
god,
video.
it's gonna be one of these.
Yeah, it's one of those days, dude. I just need to make a boot media. That's all I
Are we
need.
gonna have to buy a thing?
No. That's still a thing.
No, they're giving you a GitHub.
I mean, I can.
Like-
I mean, it's already on a fucking Windows computer anyway. I don't give a shit. I want to. Oh god. Create installation media for Windows 11 on Mac. Let's try that. Oh, it's from Microsoft. Oh, thank Christ. Put version and ban the use of boot camp.
What? Latest Mac OS system.
Shut up. Continue to okay. Open terminal. Type disk util. Oh, yours is called terminal. How do you define again? Define.
We're so close, and it's just like I'm fucking giving it to us because we have to get through a Mac computer in Windows. No, we're fucking paywalled.
Let's do this for you. I don't need the downloads. I just need to fucking. Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh, it's an ISO file. Okay. Find
It is?
it. Yeah, maybe. What the fuck? Is this it?
That's new.
What the fuck is happening?
What's that?
Boot manager setup. What the fuck?
That's it.
Setup.exe boot manager. Boot? What the hell am I looking at? Oh god.
I can't run the .exe files.
You can't run this?
I mean, you can try using Play on Mac because that's what that icon is.
Okay. Get ISO for Windows 11 ISO from.
I think we're going too deep. It's not gonna work.
Download. Wait. Fuck. So when I'm learning. Holy shit! It's actually just gonna let me do it.
That's Windows.
I don't even know what's happening anymore, dude. I am so confused.
What are you downloading?
I'm downloading an ISO file, which should allow us to make this fucking happen. Yeah, so that was options for this, whatever. Okay, before we begin, make sure you have this. Thanks for you. Yeah, we're fine. Okay.
Why didn't you bring your disk reader?
Cause I thought yours would work.
Well, you know me better than that.
You could not be more correct. Oh my god. If you want to install Windows on WNIS without using a DVD or you can just remind us. I don't want to mount it. What the fuck is a Rufus? On a Mac. Oh!
Ooh, net to boot in.
That they fucking use this stupid ass third party. I hate this. Get the fuck away from me. I hate this. You bite?
What?
What the hell?
Uh-oh.
Video tutorial? Fucking command window. Unmount it. 10 to 15 minutes to an hour? Hell no.
Well,
Okay. This is fine. This is good. Okay, so we're gonna use Belina Etcher. We're gonna download this.
No.
No, fuck you. This computer's gonna go to hell after this. we're gonna throw this shit. You're gonna take this computer. You're gonna wipe all this data onto that computer. You're gonna make it all clean and fresh. And it's gonna be beautiful. And I'll never have to touch it ever again.
You're not actually do that, right?
What?
We're not actually wiping the whole computer.
No, we're not actually doing it. I would love if we could do it. I would love to just take
I
this
need
and
this
break.
for class.
I would love to break my knee over this.
I mean, break it over your knee, you mean?
Break my knee. Either one. DMG. It was a DMG.
It's an executable file. You okay? Yeah, I'd drag that to applications.
I had to drag this to that's I had to actually do that. Like this is actually what I have to do. This works.
Oh, you just stop.
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, now what?
Go to it.
What the hell is this fucking wizard shit?
Look.
This is actual wizard shit I'm dealing with. You gotta even press this. This is not soup. Open it.
Look at this stupid new icon. That's the new icon for Minecraft.
I don't care. Go fuck. Be careful. Fuck on.
What? I can't hear what you're saying.
You know, open it.
I'm going to shut up. I'm going to.
Where are you going? You had it right there. Oh my god! Click it.
You gotta calm down.
Ruth is upstairs dying.
Open it. Jen's not even fucking home right now.
This is the. It's opening.
This is the worst thing.
Now I may have to approve it because it might be denied. But from it might say like it's from an unidentified developer.
I'll unidentify you. We'll make you fucking unrecognizable.
I'm gonna have it open already because I bet it's gonna tell me. Oh, there we go. There.
Okay.
There it is. The touch bar, right? On your computer?
I do still have my touch bar.
Do you now?
Do you remember when on my old computer when I had the touch bar?
Yeah.
How the escape key was on a touch screen?
Yeah.
Your escape key should never be on a touch screen.
Why?
Because this is the escape key.
But you could just power it on and off.
But sometimes you don't need to power it on and off. Sometimes
But
you just
that's
need to close
the
out of
magic
it. To close
of
out of it,
the power button.
in order to close out of a full screen application, you have to press escape. Escape key is like the one key on your keyboard that should, besides the power button, that should not be.
You can also, there's a combination of a couple buttons that you can also escape.
Really now?
I don't know.
I'm learning a
Oh, yeah,
lot
there's
right now.
there's like Shift Alt and F4.
Yeah.
But like,
It's just all F4.
well, not on this.
No,
not on
I'm
a
not-
Mac. If this was a Mac, that's what I would be.
Well, Alt F4 on this kills your program.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So anyway, I know you've been rolling this whole time.
I figured you would know.
We are turning on the PC. This
Look
is
at
it
that.
right down here.
Look at that wonderful thing.
And we're gonna press it.
Wow.
Oh, we got arrow lights.
No, we don't.
You see them?
Yeah, well, that happens.
It'll do that every time.
Probably.
Probably because it did.
It's just making sure it's just, it's like a security check.
It's like there are errors right now because we haven't actually.
Oh,
did it.
pretty. Look at
There
the
we
pretty.
go.
Look at the pretty. Oh, and there it goes. You touched it. Pretty gone.
I shorted it.
Pretty's gone. So probably boot it pretty quick too, because it's on your SSD. Yeah, there you go. It's done. Should I just get it open now? Do not turn that off.
What? I wanted it on the
There you
lower
go.
side.
Type it in. Log in, dummy.
Is this one gonna come on too?
It will. Just log in.
Okay. Oh, pin. I did make a pin.
Good job.
Alright.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
There you go.
Ta-da! Feel accomplished?
Give me a. There you go.
Yeah,
See,
wait.
First person.
Wait, do it again? I was zoomed in.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
You happy, Dana?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So here it is, everyone. This is my new PC. I'm still using this light here because it was such a shining star in the whole process. Yeah, this is my setup currently right now. I'm just still at my parents' place visiting them until I go move to Cassie. But we have the wonderful PC tower right here. This front part comes off. And then can snap back into place pretty nicely. It's pretty sleek looking. I love its boxy design. As you can see, we have the 2 gig sticks lit up there. Inside, we have the gigantic graphics card. And
And then we have the motherboard underneath. It's kind of lit up a little bit. It's kind of inconspicuous with the RGB, which is what I like. I like it just kind of, I want it just to kind of be black and be very sleek. Get that back in there. But yeah, there you go. Got the power button ports up here. It's got a lot of ports back here. As you guys can see, a lot of stuff back there. I've got my power strip there. I've got my 2 monitors plugged in right here. I've got the key light still there, plugged into the power strip. I have my microphone connected. I'm still working out a couple things with that because it's a little quiet. Got the jack on here for my headphones. Got the new mouse pad. I'm still using the same mouse that I've been using, but I might get a new one eventually. Got the new keyboard here with the RGB if you want to turn that on. There you go. Got the webcam. That's a Logitech webcam. And yeah, I think that's everything. So thank you, Zach, for helping me build this. And here's the finished product. This kind of setup will be transferred over to when I move to Cassie. We'll figure that out. So I have to repack this in those boxes over there, and we'll see how much I can fit. But I'm gonna have to diminish a couple of those. I'm gonna have to combine. But they're over there just for now, just to kind of be organized. But yeah, there you go.